Good day sa'yo! Let's cook rosé tteokbokki. Approved by my picky eater, Kuya Klaus. Yan? Paano sasabihin mo?
Ito po, Mami.
Let's start with sauteing the fish cake. This is ready-made na. Add some oil. And then, kaya siya rosé dahil creamy siya. That's why we added all-purpose cream. Konti lang, isang kutsara. Add water. Haluin lang hanggang ma-dissolve ang cream. Add gochugaru or Korean pepper flakes. Then, the rice cake. Add gochujang. Stir well. Actually, mas madali kung pinaghalo-halo na lang sa isang bowl yung mixture ng tteokbokki sauce. Just like what we did with kimchi jjigae. Anyway, add the chopped garlic. Add some sesame oil. Pepper. Salt. Soy sauce. And then sugar. I'm using a sweetener. There you go. In this video kasi, inisa-isa ko yung pag-add ng mga ingredients. And that's okay. Pag halu-haluin lang. Added more sugar or sweetener, kung anong ginagamit ninyo. Kapag medyo lumapot na, okay na yan. Kung gusto ng mas malapot, you can make a slurry cornstarch mixture. Let's taste it! And si Kuya Klaus, excited na rin mag-taste. He loves it. Isa to sa mga food na kinakain niya. That's why I'm enjoying cooking Korean food. Pas kita? Paano sasabihin mo?
Ito po, Mami.
Please like and share this video sa mga gustong gayahin yung recipe. Apakadali lang. Big mouth. That's it. Try nyo na rin to. And please subscribe to my channel. Blessings!